Today, we're diving deep into the world of online dating. We all know that swiping right on Tinder can be a bit of a mixed bag. But if you're looking to double your matches and increase your chances of finding a meaningful connection, I've got 5 powerful steps for you. Stick around, because this video will change the way you approach online dating. Step 1. Profile picture perfect. Step 1. Let's talk about your profile picture. Your photo is the first thing potential matches see, so it better make a good impression. Choose a picture that truly represents you. It's not about being the most attractive, it's about being authentic. A genuine smile and a picture that showcases your interests can go a long way. Remember, authenticity is key. Step 2. Craft a captivating bio. Step 2. Your bio. This is your opportunity to show off your personality. Be creative, funny, and genuine. Share a little about your hobbies, interests, or what makes you unique. A well-crafted bio gives potential matches a glimpse into your world, and it can spark conversations. Remember, brevity is the soul of wit, so keep it concise. Step 3. Swipe smart. Step 3. Swiping smart. Don't just swipe right on everyone. Take your time to read bios and look at photos. Quality over quantity is the way to go. Engage with potential matches who align with your interests and values. It's not a numbers game, it's about making a real connection. Step 4. Be a great conversationalist. Step 4. Be a great conversationalist. Once you match with someone, don't start with a generic greeting. Instead, take a moment to read their bio and mention something you found interesting or have in common. It shows that you're genuinely interested in getting to know them. And remember, good communication skills go a long way. Step 5. Patience and persistence. Step 5. Patience and persistence. Finding the right match might take time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or unresponsive matches. Keep refining your profile, your approach, and your communication skills. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a meaningful connection. Also, download the free approach blueprint to learn how to meet and attract women anywhere. And there you have it, folks, my 5 steps to double your matches on Tinder. But remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Be yourself, be patient, and be persistent. Online dating can be a roller coaster, but with the right mindset and approach, you can find the connection you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who could use a little Tinder boost. Until next time, this is signing off. Keep swiping, keep smiling, and most importantly, keep being you.